Welcome to the next phase of the Introduction to Data Science for the Built Environment edX course. In this set of videos, we will be learning data science techniques through experiences from the construction process of buildings. The construction industry focuses on the assembly of a building using components specified in the design process. Once again, there are many stakeholders in this process, but this time the focus is more on execution of the plans drawn up by the design team. These plans call for various components to be assembled into the form of the building. This includes the structural systems and envelope, which keep us out of the elements, and systems such as air conditioning, heating, and lighting, which make the building inhabitable for us. One key part of the construction phase is called building systems commissioning. This is a process where professionals will go into a project and inspect the as-built systems. They're looking for mistakes or unintended behaviors in the building, often in the mechanical equipment. They'll make a list of these issues, prioritize the ones that need to be fixed before the occupants can actually use the spaces. Some building systems, like air conditioning and lighting, have a lot of sensors that are used to control their operation. They're usually part of something called the Building Management System, or BMS. These systems are a type of Internet of Things technology, and they create what's called time series data. Time series data has specific challenges with respect to analysis in a spreadsheet. They can be messy with a lot of noise and numerous outliers, and often they're larger than needed due to high sampling rates. These challenges require specific analysis categories. The first set is techniques that are used to clean data by removing outliers and filling gaps. Next, to deal with high sampling rates, the data may need to be resampled to a lower frequency to smooth it out. Finally, special merging techniques are needed to combine different time series data sets that may not match up well or be stored at different frequencies. Thankfully for us, the Pandas package of Python is specifically useful for time series data analysis. It has sets of functions in these categories, which we're going to talk about in the next upcoming videos. There will be a specific focus on IoT data for the commissioning process.